Hello. Are you having problems with your computer, like if you already ran disk cleanup, disk defragmenter, you download it, registry or removers and stuff like that. And if it still doesn't work, I might be able to fix your problem today, but you got to pay attention because this might get a little difficult. Anyway, first off, what you want to do is you want to check out what is slowing down your computer before we can fix it. And in order to do that, we got to go over here to the start button. Now, you click on run. If you have Windows Vista or Windows 7, you probably won't have the run command. I made a video before explaining how to get that in Windows Vista and Windows 7, but I can't really get into that right now. So just type in run. Well, never mind. You don't even need to do this actually. What you need to do is push Control Alternate Delete on your computer or on your keyboard all at the same time. And then this will bring up a window. It'll say some stuff, lock this computer, switch user, log off, change password. But anyway, click on Start Task Manager. If you have Windows XP, it might open by itself. But if you have Windows Vista or Windows 7, right here this box will show up after you click Start Task Manager. Now I currently have 8 gigabytes of RAM, but if you only have like a gigabyte or two, and you see that this line is like at the top of the chart, that means that you're out of RAM. And if you're out of RAM, this is what you got to do. If you have Windows Vista or Windows 7, just click on this thing down here that says Resource Monitor. Now, if you have Windows XP or Windows 2000, you can't do that. You need to click on Start button, then you need to click Run. This is only Windows XP and Windows 2000 and before right now. So you click on Run, and you type in PERFMON.exe. Then you click the Enter button. And then this will come up. And then you click on Open Resource. Well, I'm not exactly sure how that'll be on Windows XP or whatever, but if you have Vista or Windows 7, just click on Resource Monitor. And then this is going to come up. Now, Windows Vista's Resource Monitor doesn't have this up here. It has these CPU, disk, network, and memory, but it doesn't have these things. This just makes it easier to read. But down here, it still tells you all the information you need to know. First off, what you want to do, if your RAM is out, click on Memory. And then all this will show up down here. Hold on, let me just expand these a little bit here. Working set, kilobyte, Comet, hard drive, something. Okay, well then what you want to do is you want to look at these numbers right here. Hold on. Oh, I can't move the little window whenever I'm in the Resource Monitor. But anyway, let me move this down here. Okay. My chest hurts, I don't know why. What you need to do is well, if you only have like a gigabyte or two of RAM, you should definitely not have this many programs running at once in the RAM. So, if you just look at these numbers right here, the Comet kilobytes, I think this is total. Yeah, this is just the total right here. So then you look at this, this is taken up. Now this says kilobytes, right? 1 megabyte is 1024 kilobytes. So right here, this is 8 megabytes, 28 megabytes, and that right there is 128 megabytes. Because you just gotta go by the ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, you know. Anyway, if it's 100,000 kilobytes, that means it's 100 megabytes. If it's 28,000 kilobytes, it's 28 megabytes, just so you know. Anyway, this right here is taking up Spy Sweeper. It's taking up 128 megabytes. Just a program I have. Anyway, if there's stuff like this that's taking up a lot of RAM, like if you have 1 gigabyte of RAM, 128 megabytes is a pretty lot. Or this right here, this is SVC host. I don't know why, but that always takes up a lot of RAM for some reason. But you cannot end that, or else it probably won't let you, but if it does let you, it might just like freeze the whole Windows Explorer and then your computer will freeze. But let's do an example here. Then you click on Task Manager. You shouldn't have closed it. If you did, then just push Control Alternate Delete and start it again. Then this is an example. We'll go to Spy Sweeper in here. Hold on, let me find it real quick. So if it doesn't show up, I don't know why that's not showing up, but if it's not showing up, then you click on Show Process for all users. And then maximize it. Then you find the program you're looking for. In this case, we're looking for Spy Sweeper, and then right here it is. Spy Sweeper. It says it's only taking up 38 megabytes because that's just the process. But if you go into the performance monitor, it'll tell you the whole entire thing. So now in this type of case, you don't hit end process, you hit end process tree, and that'll end everything to do with Spy Sweeper. But if it's only one program taking up that, then you just hit end process, and then it should go away. And in that right there, you just do that with like, you know, if you see a program taking up a lot of RAM, you go into the Task Manager and you end it. That's basically how you free RAM. And then that's how you make your computer faster. If this defragmenter doesn't work, well, it'll definitely work, but if it doesn't help much, and disk cleanup and all that, then that's what you do. Or if there's not much in your RAM, and your disk defragmenter and your CPU and everything, like if you already ran disk defragmenter, excuse me, and disk cleanup, and you go into up here and you notice that your CPU usage isn't that much, then you go to disk right here. Then you look at this, and then if you see there's a lot of stuff running, then that could be your problem. But if there's not much stuff running here, then it could be that your hard drive is starting to fail. Because like if you don't have a lot of RAM and your hard drive is constantly working as hard as it can, eventually your hard drive is going to go, and it's just going to go slower and slower and slower. And then once that happens, then there's really nothing you can do. But anyway, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. I appreciate it.